Good morning, friends. In the previous lecture, we have seen about words. How words are formed in English. Okay, there are 26 alphabets in English. Okay, these letters are used to form a word. For example, we have studied morphology. In that morphology, we studies about the words. Today, we are going to discuss about sentence. First, we will see what is sentence. Okay, all of you heard about these sentences or the sentence in stories or in books. Okay, we read books and there are many sentences, and these sentences are made up of words. But words, we have to follow some of the structure to make a meaningful sentence. In that, there is a structure of sentence, that is, first comes subject, and after that there is a predicate, which is also called verb, and the next is object, and after that there is adjective and adverb. These are the structure of sentence. This subject, predicate, object, adjective and adverb make a sentence, and this structure of words is called in English syntax. Okay, here we have to follow the syntactic structure when we speak a sentence, and this syntax, and after that comes in linguistic, that is semantics, where it is a meaning. There the sentence should be a meaningful, that is called semantic in English. Okay, today we are not going to study syntax and semantics. First we will only consider about the sentence. What is sentence and what are the types of sentences in English? So this is, we have studied that is sentence means a group of words which comes together and form a sentence. Now we will see the various types of sentences in English. The first type of sentence in English is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Declarative means that is, we are going to declare something. What we are going to do tomorrow, what we are going to do today, or what we are going to did yesterday. So where we are going to declare something, what I am going to perform this dance tomorrow. Okay, I am going to write a famous book. I am going to read a book. I study these novels. I teach on this subject. I speak English very well. Okay, we are going to declare everything in English. If you say that is, I write a book. Okay, here you are declaring that I write a book. Here I already told you what is syntactic structure in English. This is I subject, and write is verb, or it is also called in English predicate, and this is a book is object. Here this sentence gives a meaning. I write a book means here it is, this sentence is semantically also correct. This is called in English semantics. So if the sentence is correct semantically, then it gives meaning. Okay, otherwise if I say that is I write a book, what is this? Okay, this is not semantically correct. Okay, and instead of write, if I use another word, another verb, that is if we say I drive a book. Okay, this cannot give a meaning to the sentence, so that we have to use proper verbs for the sentence. Then it is semantically correct. Okay, in declarative, we daily speak with each other in English or in Marathi or in any other languages. We declare something, so that it is called a declarative sentence. And the next, second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative means we are going to interrogate, or we are going to ask questions to the person who is in front of you. Okay, here in interrogative, that is, there are three types. The first type of interrogative sentence is WH questions, and the second type of is that yes no type questions, and the third is choice questions. So here
choice questions are also given to us. First we will see that one by one. First we will see in the interrogative there is a WH question. What is WH questions? WH means, all of you know, WH means the words which begins with WH. Or in WH there are some words: what, where, when, who, how. Okay, these are the words which begins with etc. which begins with WH, and this sentence, interrogative sentence, ends with a question mark. Okay, in our day-to-day conversation, we use these WH questions. If somebody is going somewhere, we ask him, where are you going? And if somebody is doing something, we ask, what are you doing? Okay, if we ask on phone call also, we ask, how are you? Okay, if somebody is suffering from coronavirus, and after that we make a call to our friend and ask, how are you? How is your health? Okay, this type of the questions we ask by using this WH words. Okay, for example, some of the sentences are where are you going? What are you doing? Okay, these are some of the sentences which begins with WH words and ends with question mark. This is called WH questions. And the second is yes no type. Yes and no type questions. Yes no type means here the answer should be only yes or no. That these sentences are called only yes no type questions. For example, if you ask your friend, that is it a good place? He say only yes or no. Here, if we make this, if we bring this it in front, that is, this sentence will become it is a good place. Then that sentence is declarative. But now this sentence is interrogative because is an auxiliary verb or the helping verb which we brought in front of the sentence, and we make a interrogative sentence. Okay, is it a good place? In English, there are many auxiliary verbs, that is am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, or do, does, did, and modal auxiliaries can, would, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Okay, these are the auxiliaries we bring together and make a sentence, and we frame a sentence, that is interrogative sentence. For example, here I have one about the is. You can also use can. Can you write a book? Can you write a book? Here it is a question mark. The sentence began with can modal auxiliary and ends with a question mark. And here the person will give you answer only in yes or no. So that this is the second type of the interrogative sentence, that is yes no type. And the third type of sentence in interrogative is choice questions. Choice questions. Choice, here you are going to give a choice to the person who is in front of you. If any guest came to your house, then you ask to your guest, that is, do you want tea or coffee? Do you want milk or coffee? This type of the questions you ask to your friend. And if you are reading a book, some are very interested in reading short stories, some are interested in reading poetry. That time you ask questions. Do you read poetry or do you read short stories? Do you read poetry or short stories? Okay, here the choice is given to our friend. Okay, here this is choice, or means here we have given a choice to our guest or our friend or anybody. And you ask, do you prefer to take tea or coffee? Do you prefer to take tea or coffee? Okay, this is the third type of interrogative sentences, and here this is choice questions, right? I think all of you understood this interrogative. The third type of sentence is imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence. Imperative. Here, this imperative sentence is used when you are going to give advice or you are going to give a command to a person. Okay, when you are going to give a command, okay, command you are going to give to your friend or any or your worker. Command means you are, or sometimes you are going to give a request or ask a request. For example, I ask my friend, open the door. Okay, he goes and open the door. Okay, open the door, or you can also say, please open the door. Okay, open is a verb, and this is main verb. The imperative sentences begins with main verb. So that's open the door, write a book, read a story, go to market, sit down, okay, come here, go there. All these are the words which comes in imperative sentences. So these imperative sentences begins with verbs. Okay, and it is very easy. That is, you know, that is the main verbs. There are many main verbs in English, and this sentence ends with full stop. Okay, and the next and the last type of the sentence is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Here, exclamatory sentences means where we are going to express our own emotions and also express our surprise. Okay, if you have seen any match and that match was very wonderful, then you say, what a wonderful match that was. Okay, in that you can see what a wonderful match that was. And here the end of the sentence with exclamatory sign. So what a wonderful match that was. Actually, this sentence was in this way. That was a very wonderful match. And we have changed this sentence into exclamatory sentence by using what a wonderful match that was. And if you say that is what a fantastic thing it was, what a beautiful place it was. And when we greet with each other in the morning, that time we say good morning. Good morning. Here you express your own emotions or you express your surpriseness. Good morning, hello, hi Rahul, okay, hi Sanjay, in this way. Okay, there we have to give the exclamatory sign after that because you may express your own emotions. And after that, at the end of the day, we say thanks or good day, have a good day, bye. At that time also, you have to put exclamatory sign at the end of the sentence. So these are the some of the sentences. Okay, here I say good morning. There should be something in your mind or something in your heart that you are saying good morning. Not only you have to say good morning. Okay, here you have to say good morning. Okay, then there is an exclamatory sign. Okay, thanks. Because you are saying from your heart, so that is useful. So in English, these exclamatory sentences are there in this way. We have to use. Okay, these are the four major types of sentences in English. The first we have seen, that is declarative sentence, where we have to declare something, we have to say something. That time we have to use declarative sentence. And the second type of the sentence, that is interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we ask questions. And there are some yes/no type questions or WH questions or choice questions. And the third type of the sentence is imperative sentence. Here in imperative sentence, that is these sentences opens with the verb or forms with the verb and ends with the full stop. And the last, that is exclamatory sentence, we have seen that is these sentences ends with the exclamatory sign. Okay, here we have to express our own emotions and or express a surprise. For example, if we say Hurrio, we won the match. Hurrio, after that there is an exclamatory sign. So because you are expressing surprise or you are expressing emotions. These are the four major types, and after that these sentences
have to change from one sentence to another sentence. Okay, I think all of you understood these types of sentences, and in the next lecture we are going to see that is how these sentences are useful for speaking English. Thank you. Bye.